Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Previously we have discussed about the variables in Python. Now I am going to solve a real world Python challenge in HackerRun. And after every class I will solve a problem in the HackerRun for you guys. Now we have a question here. The question is you can just as easily store a string as a variable and then print it out to std out. Okay, the question was we have to print a string. So okay. Now we have to give a variable name my string equal to hello world. Okay, now I'm going to print it out. Print my string run code. Okay, it's got success. Okay, let's go for the second video.